Hi everyone, it's Mateo from Flyability, and in today's video we'll take a closer look at the top 8 things you need to know about the Elios 3 Tether Power Unit and how it can help you unlock uninterrupted flights and more efficient operations for your Elios 3 drone. Before jumping into it though, let's take a look first at what exactly is the Tether Power Unit. And to keep it simple, this is a power supply system compatible with all Elios 3 drones. It's composed of 4 main parts: the ground unit, the tether cable, the anti-flip swivel, and the air unit. By plugging the tether system into a compatible power source, the ground unit will convert the energy to a suitable voltage, which will then be transported to the drone via tether cable and provide the drone with uninterrupted power supply for flights up to 2 hours long with your Elios 3. With a steady power from the ground, the Tether Power Unit is intended to allow pilots to eliminate mid-mission battery changes and stay focused on the inspection at hand. Now, let's dive into the top 8 things you need to know about the Tether Elios 3 Power Unit. At number 1, we'll take a look how to correctly mount the tether system on your Elios 3 drone. Remember to always wear appropriate safety gloves and PPE when handling the tether system. Start by placing the ground unit on a suitable flat and dry surface before setup, ensuring sufficient ventilation space. When mounting the system for the first time, you'll need to install 2 brackets on the Elios 3 cage. You'll then need to assemble the cable on the half-ring swivel and attach the swivel to the brackets by securely tightening the screws. Insert the air unit into the battery holder on the drone and place a fully charged backup battery in the dedicated slot. Finally, plug the AC cable into the ground unit and turn gently until you hear a distinct click. Power up the tether and wait for the LEDs to power on. The full setup takes only a few minutes, and now you're ready for longer and more efficient flights with your Elios 3. Point number 2 is the tether cable. What you see me holding here is a Kevlar-reinforced cable capable of sustaining up to 50 kilos of tensile strength. When the drone is flying, the cable can reach up to 50 meters in length. Its robust construction ensures reliable performance and resistance to wear, even in demanding operational environments. But make sure to inspect it before each flight for cuts, tears, crushing, or exposed conductors. Before flying, unfold the entire cable by hand. You can then use the handle located on the ground unit to rewind the cable once the inspection is done. Point number 3 is one of the best features of the tether system. By allowing you to connect the tether to the drone just like a normal Elios 3 battery, the air unit allows you to switch in seconds from a tethered to a battery flight. And the best part? No tool or software changes are required. This means that you do not need to compromise on versatility for longer flight time, as you can instantly switch back to battery-powered flights and fly further than the length of the tether cable allows you to. The fourth and most unique aspect of the solution is the anti-flip swivel. This swivel is a fundamental element of the tether system that, as the name suggests, decouples the drone from the cable and guarantees that your drone maintains the unmatched stability that you're used to from your Elios 3. In addition, the swivel can rotate 360 degrees around the drone, allowing you to deploy the tethered Elios 3 from any location without causing interference to the drone. Enter a tank from the side, deploy it inside the ship's tank from the top of the deck, or fly up a chimney while safely remaining on the ground. The fifth thing to remember about the Elios 3 tether system is the worldwide power compatibility. The Tether Power Unit can be used with most wall outlets around the world between 100 and 240 volts, or any compatible portable generator or portable station. However, wall outlets may not always be fully reliable and can result in power outages. But don't worry, because at point number 6, we have the safety battery. This essential feature makes sure that even in case of a power outage from the power source, you have around 3 minutes of extra time and peace of mind to safely land your drone. If the power supply has an issue, the safety battery will automatically kick in and you will see a warning on the remote controller telling you to land. Flyability provides you with a battery heater, which is intended to be used whenever operating the Tether Power Unit between -10 and 10 degrees Celsius or between 14 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit. At number 7, we find another safety feature. Well, not so much as a feature, but rather an intrinsic benefit of having the drone connected to the ground unit via the tether cable. Adding to the existing safety of the collision-tolerant cage of the Elios 3's unmatched ability to recover from any collision, The Tether Cable now allows you also to recover the drone when something were to go very wrong, expanding its applications outdoor and adding to peace of mind. And for our European users, having the drone safely tethered to the ground means that it now falls under the C5 certification, enabling STS-01 operations in populated environments. At point number 8, I want to take a look at how the Tether Power Unit integrates with other payloads for the Elios 3. The first great news is that all current existing payloads can be mounted when flying with the Tether Power Unit. The second important news is that the Tether Power Unit pairs perfectly with UTM and NDT inspection. This combination creates the ultimate NDT drone solution. But why? Flying tethered allows you to reduce battery swaps and perform UT inspections much faster. With the Tether Power Unit, you should be able to almost double the amount of points you can take in 1 hour. But being able to also fly untethered is also critical. Many industrial areas are often extended beyond the reach of the tether. So being able to fly freely means that you can cover a lot more use cases with a single NDT inspection tool, the Elios 3 drone. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and discovering some of the interesting things about the Tether Power Unit for the Elios 3 drone. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to us via email or through the contact form on our website. See you next time and fly safe.